Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning to everyone. Let everybody join, then we'll start. All of you, till then, open your cameras.
Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Ma'am, can you hear me, Yashmit?
Yes, I can hear you, Yashmit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Yesterday we completed till
Third meaning. Ma'am,
no,
difficult
the
word.
DIY activity. We did the DIY activity.
Ma'am,
Yes,
today may I read? Ma'am, I forgot to click the photo.
Beta, you should have clicked, na? You should have sent. Only I could see Jasreena, Raina, and one more student was there who sent the pic. Who was it?
Ma'am, I sent a video in the evening.
You will send the video. Okay, very nice. But let
Ma'am,
me
can
know
I
also
send
on my
today
personal on my personal
Ma'am,
wall.
I will also send the video in evening.
In evening. All right. I'll wait for your videos. Okay, and just message me on my personal wall also. That ma'am we have sent on the class group so that I can acknowledge on the class group. Otherwise, I won't come to know when you've sent. Fine. Now,
Ma'am, today
yes, today,
what Ma'am, may I read?
I don't understand what you're saying.
Ma'am, she is saying that today can I read? She is saying like this.
Still not clear. Today we will do what? Today we will
Read? Ma'am, today may I read?
may I read? Okay, everybody will get a turn to read. Don't worry. Okay, now we'll begin reading from the beginning. Today I'll explain you the chapter from the beginning. Fine? Okay, let's start with who will read first. Yesterday, who didn't read? Okay, Akhya Goyal. Akhya Goyal, you will read first today. Akhya Goyal has not opened her camera. Why, Akhya?
Ma'am, because I taken my book. I taken my book. Ma'am, please tell the page number.
Beta, I don't know the page number, but it is from the
Page
beginning
number
of the
27.
chapter.
Ma'am, page number 27. Page number 27.
Motions of the earth.
Ma'am, page number 27.
Now, what are motion? What is the meaning of motion? Tell me. Motion means movement. The movement of anything. Now, everybody just mute yourself. Let me talk about different movements. You have seen a clock, you have seen a wall clock with a pendulum. Okay, the pendulum moves like this. It keeps moving like this.
Yes, ma'am.
What movement is this called? Do you
Ma'am,
know
this
what
is a motion.
No, what kind of a motion it is? It is to and fro.
Ma'am.
To and fro. It goes till here, then it returns back to its original position, then here, then like this. This movement is called to and fro movement. I will write in the chat box. Everybody please see.
Ma'am, we should write in the notebook.
No, beta, don't write in the notebook. It is just to make you understand. You will come across this. Beta, wait. No. Wait, let me talk. I'm telling you now, let me explain you motions, different types of movements first. What kind of a movement it is called? It is called
To and fro.
to and fro. Okay. Can you give me any other example of to and fro movement?
Can I give an example of anti-clockwise or clockwise?
No. Any example of to and fro movement? Anything that children like a lot. I'll give you a hint. Children like that thing a lot.
Bell.
Bell has yes, bell. Yes, very nice. Bell also when you just hit the bell, it moves like this. Right, good example.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
other example that is used for children's entertainment? What is that thing?
Ball.
Ball doesn't have a to and fro movement.
Cartoon.
Cartoon, which cartoon, beta? Okay,
Ma'am,
I
puppet. There is movement.
Puppet does not have a to and fro movement. Puppet keeps moving in different ways.
Ma'am, that you please look at that. Ma'am,
That
I
is
don't know.
a swing. A swing. Swings in park. You swing it, it goes and it comes back to its original position. That is to and fro movement. Isn't it?
Ma'am, can I show you an example of to and fro movement?
Yes, Varshita, show.
And I have a swing at my.
Ma'am, there's a doorbell, ma'am, there. It's like
We can't
when-
see, Varshita. Where is it? What are you going to show?
Ma'am, when we
Wait.
take a cloth
Beta, please see when one child is talking, you should wait. Don't just jump into speak.
Can I tell? Can I show you swing?
And there's a bell
It
there.
can be
The bell
snowfall.
type.
It can be snowfall. Children.
Okay, Varshita, beta, it is not very clearly visible. We can't see what you're trying to show.
I'll show you
Anyways, let's
afterwards.
move on to the next thing. Yes, Arav Gupta, what were you saying?
Ma'am, I was trying to say that, ma'am, when we take a cloth to dry, and ma'am, when the air swings, ma'am, the cloth also do that.
Yes, very nice. Why? Because you have tugged the cloth with the cloth pin. And what happens with the wind? The cloth keeps moving like that. That is also a to and fro movement. Wonderful example.
It can be also, ma'am, Bhavya, I want to say,
Say, Bhavya, hurry up
ma'am,
and
it
say.
can be snowfall.
Snowfall.
Ma'am,
Snowfall is a
snowfall
to and
can
fro
also-
movement.
Because it moves, and children also like this.
Beta, it is not to and fro. Snow, when once it falls on the floor, does it go back to the sky?
No, ma'am.
Does it go back to its original position? No. Snow is not an example of to and fro movement. Okay, so we have a swing, a cloth drying tugged with a pin, and the pendulum of a wall clock. These are all to and fro movements. Now, another type of movement is, suppose I say this is a stationary object. This is a object that is still. Okay, it doesn't move. But I have something that goes around it, goes round and round and round and round. So what kind of a movement is this called? This is called
Rotation.
Revolution.
Revolution.
Now, what is stationary? In our universe, about our nature, what is stationary? The sun is stationary. The sun doesn't move. The sun does not move. It is still at one position. And what moves around the sun is? What moves around the sun?
Planet.
Earth. Very good. Very good.
Earth and all the 8 planets.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
They
Ma'am,
all
this
move
whole-
around the sun. This is called rotation. Now, for revolution, what kind of a movement is this when something at its position keeps moving like this? It is not moving, it is not taking round and round circles. What it's doing, it is just moving like this. What is this called?
Rotation.
This is not rotation.
Rotation.
This is not rotation.
It is
Very nice, Akshita Tiwari. Very nice. This is revolution.
Am I told the same?
Revolution.
Am I
So
told
we
the
have
same?
to keep one thing in our mind very clear, that our earth, it rotates also and it revolves also. It makes two kinds of movements. What are those two kinds of movements? Rotation
Rotation and
around the
revolution.
sun and revolution around its own axis.
Ma'am, but when the sun moves around the earth, it is called revolution.
When the earth moves around the
Sun,
Yes,
it
what?
is called revolution, not rotation.
Beta, see, we will come to it. I will explain you everything in the chapter. Now see, the earth spins on its axis, yes, from west to east. Once in every 24 hours, the earth spins. Yes, that is called, sorry children, I just mixed the both of them. Yes, you are right. You are right. That is called rotation. The earth spins on its axis. That is called rotation. And what is revolve? Revolution is, what is revolution? Tell me. The earth not only
When the
rotates
earth moves around the sun.
around the sun.
When
Yes,
the
children,
earth
yes.
goes around the sun.
Who was the one to correct me, beta? Who was the one to correct? Who picked this thing that I said wrong?
Ma'am, I Samarth.
Very good, Samarth. Very nice, beta. You picked it up. So, this
Ma'am,
kind of,
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is wrong.
yes, beta, yes, this is wrong. I mixed both of them. I by mistake said it like that. So, when this moves, this is sun, and the earth is moving like this. What this movement is called? Revolution. This is revolving around something. This is revolution. And when the earth is moving like this also, on its axis, it is moving like this. What is it called? Rotation.
Rotation.
So now what thing we have to remember? We have to remember that earth rotates also, and it revolves also. Is that clear? Is that clear to all of you? Yes.
ma'am.
Anybody wants to ask anything? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, I want to
Okay,
tell
Jaskaran
something.
wants to ask. Everybody will mute himself or herself. Yes, Jaskaran.
Ma'am, what is the chapter number and page number?
Beta, chapter name is Motions of the Earth and chapter number is 4. Page number 27. Anybody else wants to ask anything?
Ma'am,
Yes, Varshita.
ma'am, I want to tell something that in the history, people used to think that the earth is the one between.
Yes. People used to think that sun moves around the earth, but it is not the sun that moves. It is the earth that revolves around the sun.
One scientist told that the planets surround the sun, but they did not listen to him.
Yes, it was later discovered. It was later found that the sun is stationary. It is still at one position. It does not move. The planets and the earth, all planets move or revolve around the sun. That's a good point. Anybody else? Yashmit, you're raising your hand. Yes, beta.
something.
Wait. Mute yourself, all of you. Let Yashmit speak.
Show that activity because I can show it properly. I have globe and I can make this sun.
Okay, beta. Yes, Atharv Gupta, what are you saying?
Can I say a fact about sun?
Say.
Ma'am, Ma'am, all the planets need an orbit, but ma'am, orbits need also an balance. So ma'am, sun give an balance to orbit.
All right, very good. And you said, beta, ma'am, can I also said one fact about sun? Can I also say, not said, can I
Ma'am,
also say? Okay, now let's move on with the chapter. Ready to read it, or anybody still has any doubt, any question or anything in his mind?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
I
ma'am,
must
I
also
have,
do to
ma'am,
and
I
fro
have this.
movement.
No, in
Ma'am,
this chapter, we will not study to and fro movement. I just told you this movement. Yes, Varshita.
ma'am, look at this. This is very interesting. In it, I studied all the facts.
Okay, beta, very good.
I want to ask something.
What, just Karan?
I am Bhavya.
Yes, Bhavya, say.
And why do planets not no, do not fall?
Why do planets do not fall? That beta you will study when you will come to bigger classes. The higher classes you will.
It is gravity.
Ma'am,
Because of the gravity.
Yes.
But a person can move in gravity. So how Earth cannot move in still like this, like
The
this
earth
outer.
moves. Who said the earth cannot move? The earth also moves.
Because there is no gravity in the space.
Beta, they have a fixed orbit. They have a fixed path. And why the path is fixed at distances, that you will come to know later. You will study about all these things in higher classes. Okay, Jaskaran, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, everybody say that the earth look the earth shape is like a watermelon. But ma'am, but when a spacecraft click the photo, so I think that the earth is round.
All right. So that beta, what we have studied from the beginning is earth as a round shape. It is like a ball. Earth is always shown in round shape. Okay, now let us move on with the chapter. Everybody mute yourself.
Ma'am, please 1 minute. Ma'am, can I tell a fact?
Bhavya, later, beta, later. Now later. Okay, Akhya Goyal, start reading.
Motion of the earth. Let's learn about the concept of axis, rotation and the formation of day and night, revolution and change in seasons. Key terms: rotation, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, revolution, axis, orbit. When you take a spinning top or Beyblade and spin it, you will notice that there is a line at the center along which the top spins. This line does not actually exist and is an imaginary
Imaginary
line.
line.
When
Okay. Now see, when you spin a top is a kind of toy that used to come. So when you spin it, it moves very fast. And what happens is, we can see a line in the center. But that line does not actually exist. There is no line made in the top, right? It actually looks like that when it moves in speed. Now I will read once again. You will notice a line at the center along which the top spins. It is an imaginary line. When the top stops spinning, the line disappears. Okay? So which line it is? It is an imaginary line.
Imaginary line.
Very good. Yes. Now, beta Akhya, continue.
when the top stops spinning, the line disappears. Factpedia. Earlier, people believed that the earth was at the center of the universe and the sun and all heavenly bodies move around it. People would say sun rises and sets, but actually the sun always stays in its place, and it is the earth that moves from west to east.
What is the movement of the
Now-
earth from which direction to which direction? From
west to east.
west
From west to west.
to east. Very good.
And
And the sun is stationary. Athar, mute yourself. And the sun is stationary. Okay? Then now who will read? Kanav Mittal. Kanav Mittal will read. Kanav Mittal is not in the class. Arhan Yadav. Who is Arhan Yadav? Arhan Yadav is also not there. Parmeet Singh. Parmeet Singh will read. See, 3 students I have called out. I have called out 3 names who are not there in the class. Only their names are there, just for attendance sake.
Can I read?
Kunal Patel.
Can I read, Bhavya?
Kunal Patel will read. Good, Kunal.
Stop spinning that line.
Beta, where are you reading from? Kunal. You don't know where she ended? Where Akhya ended? You don't know?
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am,
Bhavya?
Kunal Patel.
Left?
Can I read? Bhavya?
He
left the
Kunal
meeting.
Patel. Okay, Yatharth will read. Yatharth, beta, read. He's again getting connected. Maybe he's got some network issue. Okay, Yatharth, continue.
Now take a globe and spin it. You will see that just like a spinning top, the globe also spins along an imaginary line. You will also notice that the line is not straight like the top, but is slightly tilted, just like the top and the globe. The Earth too spins on an imaginary vertical line called the axis. The axis is not straight and is tilted at an angle.
Very good, very nice. Now, like a top, like we spin a top, if we spin a globe, the globe also spins along an imaginary line. But on a globe, this imaginary line is not straight. How it is? It is tilted. Tilted means a little slanting. Clear? Everybody knows the meaning of tilted?
Ma'am, this is the line.
Tilted means slightly slanting. Okay? Straight is
the line. Yes, ma'am.
the line is, which line, beta? Which line are you asking?
Ma'am, this is the
No, when you will spin it, beta, no, it is, see, you can't see that line. It is an imaginary line. When you spin it, it feels like there is a line, but actually there is no line. So similarly, when the earth also spins, the earth, see, read this line. The earth spins on an imaginary vertical line called the axis. The line does not actually exist. When it spins, it looks like there is a line along which your globe or your ball or your top is spinning. This
Ma'am, this black yellow color. It's imaginary light.
What?
Ma'am, this black yellow color is imaginary light.
No, beta, the line is not visible. It is not made on the globe. When you spin it, when it spins very fast, it looks like there is a line in the center. This is not the line, beta. This black yellow line is the equator. This is the equator shown on the globe. Now stop it. Please, children, keep your globes away and concentrate on the chapter.
May I read?
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, Bhavya Rastogi, can I read?
This axis
not
is
getting the
not
chance.
straight. Bhavya, I will not give you the turn to read now. 10 times you speak in between, ma'am, can I read, can I read? Is this how you behave in class? Can you see all other students, do they do the same thing? If you want to read, just raise your hand. Every time you'll unmute yourself and say the same thing. The axis is not straight, it is tilted at an angle. Okay, there is a particular angle along which it is tilted. Then the two important movements of the earth are rotation and revolution. Which are two important movements of the earth?
Rotation and revolution.
Rotation and revolution. Now let us talk about rotation. Ayushman Saxena.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, beta.
Let's us study the two important movement of the earth, rotation and revolution. Look at the given diagram. You will see that both this movement of the earth happen at the same time.
Yes, then after that,
The earth spins on its axis from west to east in 20 hours. 24 hours. Their movement of the earth is called rotation. The rotation of the earth causes the formation of day and night. As the earth moves from the west to the east, the part of the earth that faces the sun has day and night, and the part that faces away from the sun has night. As the earth takes 20 hours to complete one rotation, we say a day has 24 hours, consisting of day and night.
okay. Now when we talk about two movements, we have rotation and revolution, right? So what is rotation? Rotation, the earth spins on its axis. That I already told you. The earth spins on its axis, and from which direction? From west to
East.
from which direction?
West to east.
Very good. From west to east.
West.
And in how many hours? In how many hours it moves from west to east? In 24 hours. This movement of the earth from west to east, and when the earth moves on its axis, what is it called? It is called rotation. What movement is it called? It is called rotation. Yes.
Rotation.
Yes, very nice. Then the rotation of the earth causes the formation of day and night. What causes day and night? What causes
When
the
the
formation of the rotation? Now the activity we did yesterday. Now what happens is, from here we have light and the earth spins like this, right? So the part that is facing the sun, it is day, and the part which is away from the sun, that is night.
Night.
The side of the earth that is facing the sun, what time of the day will it be on that particular part of the earth? The part that is facing the sun, will it be day or
Excuse
night?
me, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
Aravika.
Light is
Ma'am,
falling very less.
Ma'am, in the
Ma'am,
process
the
rotation
light
and
is falling
evolution.
very less. It is called evening, and the light where is coming from, it is
Okay, Yashmit, Arav is talking better. Don't speak in between. Yes, Arav.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the process rotation and revolution, ma'am, the North Pole and the South Pole also changes.
The North Pole and the South Pole also changes. No, they don't change.
Yes, ma'am.
Do they
Ma'am,
change?
if the Earth axis is like this, ma'am, they like this become.
Okay. So you, all right, because it is tilted, it is shown tilted. That is why you're saying like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, first let's read this rotation. In this diagram, what can you see? You can see the sun rays directly going on the earth, right? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Which part is lighted up? Which part is lighted up? The part that is facing the earth. And the part that is behind, that has night on it. Right? It is all dark.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when the earth is going to move like this, then this part of the earth will have night and that part will have daytime. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Next, who will read?
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I read Summer?
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I read Summer?
Ma'am, can I read?
Summer. Yes, Summer read. Summer has never got a turn to read.
Okay, ma'am. The Earth not only rotates on its axis but also moves around the sun. This movement of the Earth is called revolution. The Earth revolution round the sun at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Seconds, the Earth and other move round the sun in a part called the. It takes 365 days and 6 hours of the Earth to complete one revolution around the sun. Means a year has 365 days. The 600 years are added every 4 years to from and etc. day in February, which makes a lamp year.
Okay. Now, we see the earth not only rotates, but what does it do? It also revolves around the sun. It also moves around the sun. This movement is called what? This is called revolution. Very good. This movement is revolution. Now, at what speed does the earth revolve around the sun? What is the speed of the earth?
30 kilometers per second.
30 kilometers per second. In just 1 second, it moves 30 kilometers, which is a big distance, right? Then the Earth and other planets move around the sun in a fixed path. They don't go haphazard like anywhere they want to move. No, the path is fixed. They will not move an inch here or there from their path. And this fixed path, what is it called? It is called
Orbit.
orbit. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, may I read the second one?
Wait, let me just finish this. The fixed path is called orbit. Now it takes 365 days and 6 hours for the Earth to complete one revolution. How many days? 365 days and 6 hours. It is so big that the Earth can complete the revolution on its orbit in this much time, 365 days and 6 hours. Now, the extra 6 hours that it takes per year are added. They are added, these 6 hours are added to every 4 years to form an extra day in February. That is why after every 4 years, in February, we have 366 days. 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is how much? 6 fours are 24. They are
24 hours.
So that is why 24 hours make up one day.
24 hours.
One day is made of 24 hours. That is why after every 4 years, we have one extra day, one additional day.
And now I understand how what happened. Why do the Earth take? Why do one extra days added?
Yes. Vamika Singh. Vamika.
Ma'am, I didn't got a chance yesterday.
Beta, Vamika has
Yes, ma'am.
never got a chance in my class. I am calling her name out for the first time. Vamika Singh. Can you hear me, Beta? Beta, now it's your turn to read.
Ma'am, who is this Siddharth Shukla?
Siddharth Shukla. Who is Siddharth Shukla? Open your camera.
Ma'am, me.
Who, me?
Yes, ma'am, I am opening. Ma'am, I am.
Beta, are you from 4th C?
I'm 40.
Beta, so wait, this is 4th C going on. Your class will begin at 11:20. Okay, leave
Okay,
this
ma'am.
meeting. Now 4th A students have started joining. Anyways, Vamika, beta, you read the next para. Seasons. Read from seasons. Vamika, you don't know where we are reading? Okay, Daksh Pratap Singh.
Ma'am, can I read?
All right, Varshita, read.
Okay, ma'am. The revolution of the earth around the sun and the titled axis of the earth causes the change in seasons. The North Pole is the northernmost point of the earth, while the South Pole is the southernmost point of the earth.
Southernmost
Of the earth. The equator is an imaginary line running through the center of the earth, dividing into two equal halves called the hemispheres. The top half of the earth that lies in between the equator and the North Pole is called the northern hemisphere, and the bottom half that lies between the equator and the South Pole is called the southern hemisphere.
Very